Daily Math Review number 1, which equation has g equals 6 as the solution? So that means if we plug in a 6 wherever there's a g, then the solution or the answer would be true to what it's equal to. So for example, if I replace this g with a 6, because that's what it says, g equals 6. 6 plus 2, is that equal 10? Nope. 6 plus 2 is not 10. That is 8. How about 6 plus 13? Well, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Is that 18? Nope. How about, remember, this means 6 times g, or 6 times 6. So what is 6 times 6? 36. Is that 60? No. How about down here? 6 times 6. Is that 36? Yes. Let's double check. 58 plus 6. Is that 60? Nope. So our correct answer here is going to be D, as in the letter dog. And that is it. Great job. You also don't need to use these, so don't worry about those. Great job.